Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at one of my favorite core exercises that I give to beginners. This exercise is called the Deadbug, mainly because you kind of look like a dead bug when you're doing it. This exercise is not like your typical crunch or sit-up. It's more of a core activation exercise, so you won't be using it for hypertrophy purposes. Now, one of the reasons why I really like this exercise is that it has a lot of regressions and progressions. So if you're fairly new to the gym and you don't know how to activate your core muscles, or you're unsure of what you're able to do, you're able to scale it back a little bit so you can kind of do what you're capable of at that moment. And as soon as you get more advanced, or you're someone who's been going to the gym for a few years, you can make the movement harder and harder as you get better. Now, this movement also helps to teach proper breathing mechanics, since we have to breathe properly in order to do the exercise correctly. Typically, if someone does this exercise and experiences back pain, then they're not breathing correctly. So before we go over all of the regressions and progressions of the exercise, we're going to go over how you should breathe during the exercise and how your pelvis should be tilted during the exercise to make the movement a little more optimal. So when we're doing the exercise, we want to make sure we're not breathing with our chest and that we're using our diaphragm to breathe. So when we're doing this, we're going to take a breath in and expand the stomach. Then when we breathe out, we're going to draw the belly button in, and imagine you're trying to draw the belly button towards your spine. Now when it comes to our pelvis, we want to make sure we're in a posterior pelvic tilt. So as you can see here, we're neutral, anterior pelvic tilt, and posterior pelvic tilt. You can see when we're in a posterior tilt, we have to engage the glutes a little bit to straighten out and round the lumbar spine. So when you're laying down, your low back is going to be flat against the floor or whatever surface you're on and not arched.